Okay, somebody's asking for sound samples. Now there's a little bit of hiss. That's due to the PA system. It's not the best. It's a old Yamaha solid state system that I got when I didn't know what I was doing. But anyways. Okay, so that's the system. It's a Sound City Master Lead 50. I've got a MXR 10-band EQ that's been modified by Griffin Effects. I've got loop station. I've got a Bicos compressor, and I've got a tuner that's hooked up to it. 2 notes captor X is after the Sound City. Then the XLR outputs from the captor X go into the stereo inputs on the stereo mixer. And now instead of using PA speakers, I use Schroeder 12PL bass speakers. Those are rated to 600 watts. They've got a 200 watt titanium tweeter in there. It goes up to 20,000 hertz. And it goes down as low as 35 hertz with a 12-inch BNC speaker in it. It's really good, and this is just the clean sound. Okay. Okay, that's just some of the sound. When you get on the strings a little bit, the amp knows what I want, and it just does its thing, you know. So I like it a lot. And the Captor X, like I said, that is just without any effects at all. If I want to add a little reverb, it's got a whole reverb pedal worth of reverb in there that I can just add to any preset at any time. So I kind of like that feature. Oh, does it work for bass? Oh, okay. Well, let's turn off the reverb because reverb doesn't go good with bass usually. But now I haven't changed any of the settings anywhere on this. There's just the controls on the instruments themselves. And I use an ABY switch, and I just switch over to bass. Oh, but how does it sound? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Like I said, I didn't switch anything around. That's just the way it is.